Hello everyone. So I haven't did my final coat of paint here, but I've gotten mostly all of the construction stuff out. I still need to do this section of tile above here, and I still need to clean that tile off in the corner. I've taken mostly everything out that we're not using anymore to the shed, and so I got the fabric, and I'm gonna make the fabric for those cushions. I did get the covers for these. These are the other two yellow ones. I did get the cover for those. So I thought I ordered four, but I only ordered two. So I'm waiting for the other two to come. And then the fabric for those bottom cushions I'm going to make. And then, yeah, so I put up my hippie curtain on the shower. So this is the L-shaped shower rod I was talking about. I just love that. And it fit perfectly. It's a bunch of junk in the shower, as usual. So I put that there. Don't you just love, I love that tie-dye scarf. I've had it forever and I never used it for anything. I think I'm going to hang that in there with some little clips. I made this shelf out of a wooden crate that I had that I wasn't using. So I spray painted it black and I put these shelves in there, these pieces of wood in there, and so I can use it for shampoo and conditioner and different things, toilet paper when we're traveling. And then I spray painted the medicine cabinet black and put there because the mirror that's going to go above there is black. And then I started on the tile work in here. So this is as far as the tile work is going to go up on this side. There's going to be a trim up here. And then I started here and I started adding the smaller ones, but I haven't grouted it or finished it or anything. I had just started, but I ran out of adhesive and I ran out of caulk. So I need to make a Home Depot run. The medicine cabinet came out really good. I'm glad that I decided to keep it because it's just perfect. I'm glad I kept it. I love it. I love it. So yeah, I still got to do a few more coats of paint in here. And I did not do a really good job with the seams. You can see the caulk where I was hiding the nails and the seams. And I was in here sanding it, but it just wasn't sanding off right. So yeah, I mean, it was my first time building walls, rebuilding a whole entire bathroom walls. So yeah, I mean, I'll figure out some kind of way to sand that down and then repaint it probably in the fall because it's just too hot to be doing that kind of work in this tiny bathroom. So I'll probably just do another coat of paint, and the toilet will be there so it'll hide that area. And I might put a chair rail right there. I might put another 1x2 across the seam right there to hide that and just paint it. And I think it'll be fine till the fall. You know, it looks decent. I still have to clean around the windows, and I got some tiny little blinds that are going to go here. The shelf is not in the way because the blinds are super tiny that I'm going to use to cover that window with. So yeah, it's coming together. I'm going to do the countertop sometime this week. I'm going to scrub that down, sand it down, and then put the new contact paper on it. And another idea I had about these walls, since I did a horrible job with the seams, is I was thinking if I sanded them down good enough, I could put wallpaper on this wall and that wall. So I don't know, it's a thought. I'm still proud of myself, even though, yeah, that could have totally been done better. Yeah, I don't know. Because you can't use traditional caulk and grout in a camper because when you're bouncing down the road, it will crack and chip. You have to use silicone. And so patching everything with the seams and the covering the screws, I used the silicone caulk. And so it's rubbery, so it's hard to sand. It doesn't sand like traditional drywall caulk, because and so that's why these imperfections are here. I'm gonna get some rubber sandpaper for my electric sander. Go over it again, see if I can get it down, get it flush. And if it looks good, I'll paint over it. If it doesn't, then I might just put wallpaper on this wall and that wall. Well, we'll see. But I like it. I like the way it's coming. Have to do another coat, a few coats on that cabinet. Cover up that gray paint. Yeah, overall, I think that things are looking good. The walls are up and the lights work, so everything works, and that's good. So, I'm waiting for the new mattress to come for the bed. This mattress came with the camper, so I'm going to keep it, but I'm going to use it for the kids when they in their tent. Somebody can sleep on it in their tent. So, yeah, I'm waiting for that. And,
it's open.
Well, it's coming together.
They want to get in. Where's your key?
Well, let them in.
You got the key?
Oh, the person locked it. Okay. My key.
They were right here. I have them sitting. You move them?
That box. Did you take that box out of here?
No, I didn't take no box.
Oh,
I did.
Anyway, say hello to the people, Robert. Robert.
Yeah.
Say hello.
Hello, how you doing? Another bright, sunshiny California day. Hello, people.
So, that's about it. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Sunday. I have to get more of that fabric for the, well, actually I'm not doing a curtain over the kitchen because I have, when I'm cooking inside on my camp stove, I don't want the curtain blowing into the flame, so I'm actually just going to put a shade, a mini blind or a shade, small mini blind or shade above the sink. So yeah, I did get these curtains to go there, and I really like them. That's the other curtain that goes on this window. The curtain rod broke, so I need to get the curtain rod to go on this window. So it'll be these checkered curtains on all the other windows, and then those curtains on that window, which I like. I like the contrast. I was gonna make, I might still make the checkered curtains. I just don't know. I'm not really a sewer. I can sew. I learned in home ec as a teenager, but it's not my thing. Look at these cute little hooks I got from Dollar Tree. I put those up there for Rob to hang his hats on, but for now that I have my bungee cord on there, so I won't lose it. It holds the door from flopping back and forth. Let's see, what else do I have going on in here? I brought this chair in here so that I can use it when I'm in the bathroom doing the low points, because I was killing my back. It's coming together. It needs a couple more coats of paint and some touch-ups here and there, but overall it's coming together. Overall, it's coming together. Doesn't look quite like a construction zone anymore. It's got this cute rug. It says, "Welcome to our camper, our happy place." And that's definitely true. So later today we'll come out and we'll finish priming the camper. I hope you all have a nice day.